Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce my factory progress. Sorry, my English not very good. Welcome everybody to point out my mistake. Okay, let me to show my factory. Okay. Today I will show you my wooden workshop. Oh, I'm Leon. So let me follow me. First, let me show the materials of wood. Like this materials, wooden materials, is about 18 mm. 18 mm, yeah. Like this materials is wooden. It can stop fire. Also, they can use for made bar or some furniture. Here, this machine is for cutting the woodens. Let me see. You can see that the machine cutting the wood. The faster the machine will cut the wood into very small piece, a small piece. Okay, let me to show you another step. Next, our workers will use a small piece to make like this. Something like this to finish with the shape. This is a bar for the like a coffee bar. I can show you how it is strong. Very strong and very heavy. It's heavy. Here can put a computer or cashier for the electric line. Okay. Here is a shape, very strange, but sorry, I don't know how to speak English. Maybe you can teach me more. Okay, show along. Okay. Here is our wooden workshop. So I will show you next step for the print. Okay.